All right, going back to the top story we are tracking here on DD India News Hour, the Reserve Bank of India reducing the repo rate to 5.5%. Joining me from Mumbai is my colleague Shyama Mishra. Shyama, put the RBI decisions in their proper context for our viewers, if you will.
Well, Ramesh, it was on expected lines, but people were a bit hesitant while they were expecting a 50 basis point rate cut. But RBI has delivered it, and if you would see the policy's announcement statement by the governor, he has also changed the stance from the accommodative to neutral. Now he has also said that for now there'll be a pause, this room for rate cuts, further rate cuts. There are no room for further rate cuts, but as and when the data comes in, RBI will be acting accordingly. We have Sanjay Mariwala with us. He is the president of Indian Merchants Chamber of Commerce and Industries, and he will be, spilling for us more details. Sir, how do you take this decision? We believe that you had given a suggestion to the RBI.
Yes, I think we are very happy that the suggestion has been accepted. We have been anticipating this move, and we've been requesting for this change. I believe this is in the right direction. It will help the industry. It will certainly help the consumer. It will help the common man because rates will come down across all sectors of lending. And when money increases in the hands of consumers, some of it will go towards spending, some of it will go towards saving, and I think both will benefit in that sense. So I think this has been a welcome move. This is extremely required at this moment. Our country requires a little more demand stimulation. And I think the stimulation will take place using this the rate cuts. It will be a very welcome change for the industry as well.
So now, usually we see that the RBI's focus is on getting down the inflation. But this time around, they've also spoken about, supporting the growth. How do you see the fine lines between, the statement that the governor has spelled out and going by the economical uncertainties internationally? How do you see India's current economy? Because he has said it's very stable.
I think one of the biggest advantages we have is we have a large domestic economy and the large domestic consumption, and it's a consumption-driven economy. So if we can stimulate our own consumption and continue to grow it, there is no reason why we should be bothered so much about the external issues. There are challenges in the external demands, both in terms of some export markets like the US tariffs and other issues which are questioning the situation today. I think there are wars in Europe, and hopefully the European war is coming down, and maybe just the Israeli war is what is bothering everybody. But I think the question here is how can India continue to grow? I think if we can stimulate our own demand, we will grow at more than 7%.
All right. Thank you very much for talking to us, sir. So yes, the key is, driving our own demand, driving our own consumption. And we believe that RBI now lowering this huge BPS points will definitely give money in the hands of common man, common people. And this will drive further consumption and further growth. Ramesh, back to you.
All right, I will leave there. Shyama, thank you. Shyama Mishra reporting there from Mumbai.